Hi everyone! So in this video, we'll teach you paano mag-sign up sa Involve Asia. So this one, so pag click mo dun sa sign up page, so this is what you're going to do. Just have to fill in your email, the password, and then after that one, meron kang makikita verification link, something like this. And then pag check mo dun sa email, you just have to click that verify email. And then you get this one. So once na-verify mo na, you get the sign na verified ka na. And then you have to click on um, the promote social media. Although again, pwede ka na, these are other options, but for our specific for our training, dito tayo gagamit ng sa social media. And then you can choose kung ano yung social media account. But for this one, gagamit lang muna tayo ng Facebook. Yan. Pwede ka mag-add actually ng Instagram, YouTube, so these are other social media na pwede. And then you have to input the URL. So at this point, you can make use of your own Facebook profile. So this one, you have to put property name, kahit anong name na gusto mong ilagay that is relevant, that would be okay. And then ano yung social media URL. So again, you can start using your own profile. And then dito, you have to fill in, ano ba, they recognize me or they do not recognize me. So dito kasi may mga cases na hindi, may mga options kasi na pwede kang hindi mapakita sa camera. So let's say for example, for this one, ay ang pinili natin is yung appear on camera. And then, ano yung number of followers? So, since below 5,000 followers kami, so I make use of this one. And then, after that one, what would you like to promote? So, dito na papasok kung ano yung niche na gusto mong i-promote. So, nasa tech ka ba? Gusto mo ba gaming or automotive? So, pipili ka dito ng tatlong categories. And then, after that one, ayan, you fill up this if you're an individual. And then, again, ito na yung, kumbaga, ito yung summary na fill up mo. And after that one, you're going to get this, and then wait for it, na may email na darating sa'yo. And this is, while waiting for that, may notification ka rin marireceive na you have to fill in your payment. And then, yeah, ang option lang nito is PayPal. And ang PayPal would be available only in Malaysian Ringgit. Ayan. And then, yeah, so after that one, ayan na, meron ka ng approval for this one. Ito yung marireceive mo. Okay, so that's it for our Involve Asia registration.